As students at Clovis Community College, we tend to juggle more than just school. You probably also have a job and multiple classes you're taking. You might even have children or a family to look after. That dog seems to always need to be walked, and the house definitely needs vacuumed. You have to go to the store by Thursday, and maybe you have soccer practice on Mondays and Fridays. The car still needs its emissions checked, and oh yeah, school! Well, keep calm because the Tutoring Center is here to help you with your time management. The first thing we want to emphasize is the importance of using a planner. Free academic planners are available for students in the CCC bookstore and the Services Center. A planner can help you organize personal endeavors, your work schedule, and class assignments. We recommend adding in any and all assignment due dates, instructor office hours, and any other additional materials or meetings you might have for school. As you fill it in, you will find gaps in your schedule for study time, extracurricular activities, running errands, or stopping into the tutoring center. This visual aid can make even the busiest of weeks feel manageable. Number 2. After you make a schedule, you need to utilize your time by being prepared before, during, and after class. Before class, you need to print out the class syllabus. This will be your best friend throughout the semester, as it will give you insight on when assignments are due, what is to be expected of you as a student, and any required course materials like a calculator for math or protective eyewear for labs. Next, you need proper school supplies. This includes something to take notes in and a folder or 3-ring binder to store important documents. Last, and arguably the most important thing you can do to prepare before class is to read. Please read any and all required readings prior to the start of class. This cannot be emphasized enough. Reading course material before class will help you utilize classroom time better as you are already familiar with the content. During class, you want to take detailed notes. For more information on how to take constructive notes, check out our video on note-taking. This includes things like properly titling your notes and highlighting key points. This is also when you will update your planner with new information the instructor might present about readings, assignments, office hours, or exams. And finally, be present, engaged, and ask questions. The last thing you want to do is go home and realize you don't understand the material you just covered. Utilize class time by strengthening understanding. And last, after class or during your study times, find a space free of distraction and summarize the class notes in your own words. Jot down a sentence or two for each new subject to check for comprehension. One technique we recommend using to verify understanding is the Feynman technique, which is outlined in our note-taking video. If your textbook comes with chapter reviews or comprehension questions, read those and see if you can answer them. If you feel there are still gaps in your understanding, visit your instructor's office hours or call into the tutoring center. Number 3, if you feel overwhelmed with your workload, start small. Slowly work your way up until you achieve the bigger tasks. Break down large jobs into smaller, much more manageable steps and tackle those steps one at a time until that final goal is accomplished. For example, writing a term paper can feel like a daunting task, but accomplishing parts of it every other day leading up to the due date is much more feasible than trying to write it all the night before it's due. Plan and research one day, draft and send it into the Writing Center a day or two later, and make final revisions before submission on another day. For more information on time management tips and tricks, or to meet with an academic tutor to discuss your unique schedule, call or visit us today. We are here to help.